Namaste. So we are in the bridge course of class 4. Last class we have practiced about fractions. Today we are going to continue with the same chapter fractions. In this we are going to compare like fractions. Then we are going to order. We are going to arrange the like fractions in ascending order as well as descending order. Then we are going to add as well as subtract the like fractions. Hope you all are ready. So we can see here three shapes, three squares. Each square has been divided into four equal parts. 4, 4, 4. Okay. So if we shade any part here, if we shade one part, if we shade two parts, or if we shade here three parts, but the denominator remains same. All right. So here, as like we can see here, yes, 4 equal parts in these three squares, but one part is shaded, two parts are shaded, three parts are shaded. So it can be written as 1/4, and here 2/4, and what about here 3/4. Now when we have same number of divisions, equal divisions in each, only then we can compare the fractions. As like if we have same denominator, as like we have learnt already, the fractions which has same denominator, they are called like fraction. So we can compare the fractions if they are like fractions. From this we'll come to know which is the smallest fraction. Yes, so 1/4 or 1/4 is the smallest fraction. And what about greatest? 3/4 is the greatest fraction. Alright. And also we can write the fractions using comparing the fractions using the symbol greater than, less than, or is equal to. Okay. Let us compare like fractions. While comparing, we do use these three signs. Okay, signs. So 3/8 and 5/8. We are going to compare. These fractions are like fractions as their denominators are same. 8 here we do have. Then have check the numerator 3 and 5. So here 3 is less than 5. So in all we can tell, will know as 3/8 is less than 5/8. So the sign 3/8 is less than 5/8. This way we can compare like. Now 4/17 and 1/17. Here these two are like fractions as denominators are same. So check the numerator. 4 is greater than 1. That means 4/17 is greater than 1/17. Which sign? Yeah, this is the way. Now say this fraction. Here 5/4, 24 we do have, and 5/24. So denominators are same, like fractions, but check the numerators. They are also same. That means both the fractions are equal. So we do use the sign here is equal to. Alright. Now these pair of fractions, compare on your own and solve. Can you tell me the answer? 27/32, 31/32. These two are like fractions as the denominators are same. So check. 27 numerator we need to check. 27 and 31. Which sign do we need to use? Yes, 27 is less than 31. So complete fraction will be less than this fraction. So what can we use here? 27/32 is less than 31/32. This is all about comparing like fractions. Yes, after we know comparing, it is very easy to order the fraction or ordering of fractions. We know about arranging the fractions in ascending order as well as descending order. First, let us have a look about ascending order. Here, the fractions are 4 fractions are given. We have to arrange them in ascending order. How to arrange? First, Look at the fractions. These are all like fractions. Alright. So we know about the compare the numerators. Okay. Whichever is the smallest, that fraction should be written at the first. We know very well ascending order is smaller to greater. So smaller fraction to greater fraction. So let us have a look here. Which is the smallest fraction? 5 by 19, 3 by 19, 8 by 19, 2 by 19. Yes, 2 by 19 is the smallest fraction. Let us write here. 2 by 19. Okay, next one. 2 by 19 is less than 3 by 19. Then after 3 by 19, yes, it is 5 by 19. So 5 by 19. Then the greatest fraction here is 8 by 19. So ascending order of these given fractions will be 2 by 19, 3 by 19, 5 by 19 and 8 by 19. In this way, we can arrange the given like fraction into ascending order. Here you have one more example to arrange the given fraction in ascending order. See, these are all like fractions. As we know, all the denominators of these fractions are same. Okay. Now, we have to arrange the given fractions in ascending order. Before that, we need to check which is the smallest fraction among these fractions. So, you have to check the numerators. Alright. So, from that we'll come to know 6 by 23 is the smallest fraction. We are arranging from smaller to greater as it's given here ascending order. So, arranging smallest to greater is ascending order. So, 6 by 23 is the smallest. Alright. Then, which is the next one? Yes, check. Is it 18 by 23? No, it is 12 by 23. Then, after that, after 12 by 23, then we have 16 by 23. Okay. Then, can you tell? Yes, after 16 by 23, we do have 18 by 23. Finally, which is the greatest? Okay, 20 by 23. So, this is in the order of ascending order. We can write it as the ascending order of these given fractions is 12 by 23, 16 by 23, 18 by 23, and finally the greatest fraction 20 by 23. This is the way of writing, arranging the given fraction, like fraction into ascending order. Right, we have arranged the given fraction in ascending order. Now, another way of arranging the fraction, that is descending order. What is descending order? Arranging the fractions from greater to smaller. That's it. As we know how to compare the like fraction, here we'll compare the like fractions and we'll arrange it in descending order. So, while arranging in descending order, we need to check about which is the greatest fraction among these given fractions. Okay. So, like fractions, so we need to check the numerator. So, from here, we'll come to know the greatest fraction is 18 by 33. So, 18 by 33 is greatest. Okay. So, greater than, next one, yes, 15 by 33. Then, smaller than 15 by 33, that is 13 by 33. And the smallest fraction here, yes, absolutely, that is 4 by 33. In this way, we can arrange the given like fraction in descending order. So we can write here 18 by 33, 15 by 33, 13 by 33, and finally smallest fraction 4 by 33. Alright. One more for you. Let us arrange this given fraction in descending order. As we all know, these are all like fractions. So we need to search here for the greatest fraction by looking at the numerator, checking the numerator here. So which is the greatest fraction? Yes, here 9 by 10 is the greatest fraction. We should start from greatest fraction. Alright, then we have to check. Yes, 7 by 10 then is greater than which fraction? Of course, 5 by 10. Then after that, is it 3 by 10? No, it is 4 by 10. Alright. Then finally, which is the smallest? Yes, it is 3 by 10. We can also write as like this. 9 by 10, 7 by 10, then 5 by 10. So this is in the order of descending order. Right, 4 by 10. Finally, the smallest fraction. In this way, we can write descending order of the given fractions. Let us move on to addition of like fractions. Let us find the sum of these two like fractions, 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. While adding, we know very well, we are not supposed to change the denominator. Denominator will remain same. Only we have to add the numerator. So, it can be written as 2 plus 1 in the numerator's place. Okay. Finally, add, denominator remains same, 5. Now, add the numerator, 2 plus 1 will be 3. Alright. Yes, see here how it's given. 4 by 10 and 3 by 10. What we have to do? We have to find the sum. Let us write using the sign. 4 by 10 plus 3 by 10. Alright. And you do know the next step. What's the next step? Denominator remains same. Then add the numerator. 4 plus 3. And what the sum? What sum do we get? Yes. Denominator will be 10 itself. Add 4 plus 3 will be 7. 7 by 10 is the sum. Check out this. Here we do have 3 like fraction which we have to find the sum of these 3 like fractions. In the same way, we need to write the denominator. There will be no change in the denominator. Denominator remains same. Only we need to add the numerators. 1 plus 3. Here we have one more 1 in the numerator. Then find the sum. What the sum? Denominator remains same. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So, the sum of these 3 like fractions is 5 by 7. In this way, we can add the like fractions. Now, let us move on to subtraction of like fractions. As we have added the like fraction in the same way, here also there will be no change in the denominator. Here we can see 8 by 9 minus 3 by 9. So, how to subtract? Next step is we need to write the denominator as it is. Only numerator will be subtracted. Okay, that is 8 minus 3. So finally, how much do we get? 8 minus 3 is 5 and denominator remains same. In this way, we can find the difference of the given fractions. Here, the same way, let us subtract 9 by 17 minus 5 by 17. What to do? Denominator we need to write. It will never change. It remains the same. Okay. So, then numerator 9 minus 5. Alright. Now, subtract. After subtraction, denominator will be 17. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 by 17 is the difference here. Have a look. Subtract 5 by 7 from 10 by 7. Here, this word from you should observe. So, from which number we need to write first? That is 10 by 7. Okay. 10 by 7, from this number we need to subtract. Okay. Be careful while solving such problems. Okay. If you write in this way, it's very easy. Next steps are very easy. Denominator remains same. Then 10 minus 5. Alright. Then what's the last step? Yes. Denominator remains same. 10 minus 5 is 5. What's the difference we got here? 5 by 7. In this way we can find the difference of the given like fractions.